Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope you all are fine and healthy. Students, welcome to the online classes. We are continuing your remaining classwork through online session. We are carrying on with unit number 8, Stopping by Words on a Snowy Evening. This poem is very nicely composed by Robert Frost. Students, I tell you in this lecture what are major points to do understand chapter as a whole. For subjective point of view students, you have to learn summary of the poem. For this, you have various choices to learn and gain 5 crucial marks in examination. Students, listen very carefully. There are few instructions to learn and write summary. Number 1. Do not write any irrelevant material while writing summary of the poem. Must keep your intention according to the subject of the summary. Number 2. Avoid cutting and overwriting. Students, do your work very neatly if you understand the summary and you have learned the summary very carefully, so there must be very less chance to cut or overwrite. Number 3. Students, there must not be any quotation in the summary. Students, we have observed most of the students do mistakes while writing summary and they put quotations. They are irrelevant to the subject of the summary. So, according to the board point of view and instructions, students do not write any irrelevant quotation in the summary. Number 4. In examination, students must keep in mind you have to consume only 10 to 12 minutes to write a summary. Students must keep in mind you don't have enough time to waste. So make up your mind and try to write summary within a 10 to 12 minutes. Number 5. Summary of the poem must not be much long, not too short. It must be comprehensive and summarized that overcome the theme of the summary. Student, unit number 8 is also important for objective point of view. For objective, there are important sections to understand. For example, glossary of the poem. Students, glossary of the poem is important in respect that these words would be helpful in an objective point of view in your objective paper. Words might be used in the correct spellings and as a synonyms. So glossary is an important part. Number 2, grammar. Student, on your textbook page number 86, there is given grammar section. If you see, there are adjective phrases and adverb phrases. There are few examples that might be helpful in objective paper. For example, students, for example, there is example given. I like to see a face with a smile. With a smile, there be used in objective part in the objective paper. Similarly, Ali ran at a great speed is an adverb phrase. This will also be given in the objective paper. So you must not only focus on yourself on the chapter 8 for summary only, but also in touch yourself with the objective part of the unit number 8. Students, at the page of 87, section A and B is important also for the objective point of view. So this is also important points of the unit number 8. Student, review exercise number 2 of unit number 5 and 8 given at the end of the chapter number 8 is also very important. There are crux and important parts of unit number 5 to 8 are given. Not only unit number 8 but review exercise is included in your syllabus also. So in touch yourself with the review exercise. For example, there are few important points. For example, section A is vocabulary. Choose the correct options, and other hand, for next is grammar part. Choose the correct options. Students, do not focus only yourself on the summary of the poem. I am giving you the instructions, so follow my instructions very carefully and to learn very comprehensively what we are teaching you on the online classes. Students, I hope you have listened my all instructions very carefully. Students, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.